am I? Okay. So.
Make a video and post it out on
Oh my god.
TV.
But I don't know how to do that. Okay, so I'm obsessed with storms. No! Okay, okay, wait, okay. So the last storm that we got Saturday, I forgot to update y'all. It was nothing. It was just, right now we're seeing like spinning clouds. I'm so excited because I love storms so much. Oh my god! And it literally looks like a wall, like a storm wall. And earlier today, I watched a video of tornadoes. Like, is it on me? Is it on me?
Yeah.
Okay. She's scared. I don't blame her. So I was like looking at these clouds right here, and I'll show y'all in a minute. And it looked, some clouds were going this way, some were going this way, and I was like, huh. And it looks like it's trying to create a tornado wall, which is how tornadoes form. So I'm like excited, but she's nervous. Oh my god. We've had a couple storms today. It is tornado season, Mom. So I'm gonna show you, that's storms that have passed. There's storms that have passed us over there. But there is the beauty I'm talking about. That, I'm not really for sure if that's anything. I don't really think it is, but look at that beauty. I'm telling you, that is a tornado. Oh.
Not a tornado yet.
Not a tornado yet, but it's gonna be. Mommy, why are you scared?
That looks too weird.
Well, yeah. Boo. I'm telling you, that's a tornado wall. I'm gonna have to pull that video up again and show you and kind of.
Go open the garage door.
Why? Why? You got a what?
I want the garage door.
Jeez, I'm sorry. I needed to clear things out so I have more stories because this might be a long video, y'all. I can't tell you how excited I am. Blurry. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. Mom, I stepped in thorns again. Wow, I actually have a video of me stepping in thorns. Ugh. Got it out. That's mud. Don't. Okay. Oh my god. Holy crap. Mommy, I'm excited. I know you're not, but. Wow. I'm telling you, okay. That's spinning. That is spinning because these clouds are going this way and then oh, yes, I'm sorry. I don't think anyone's ever got this excited about storms. Except for me. It's starting to rain now. Mommy, are you taking pictures? I think I'll be like a storm chaser meteorologist. Mommy! That video that I watched that said 5 signs that there's gonna be a tornado, it said it has kind of like a peninsula and I see like a flat peninsula, so I don't know if that's really the correct words they use, but it's what I'm using. That's what I'm talking about right there, kind of like a peninsula looking thing. I don't really know if you guys can see it, but that's moving. That is moving in a circle. You know, I actually kind of thanked God for this tornado because, like, okay, so I was out here looking at the, like, weather. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so and I was like looking at the clouds because those clouds were like just kind of like flat and they were like over here and stuff. And then I realized that they were heading that. I was like, okay, I was trying to fly a kite and like my flight started going in circles. I was like, okay. So then I started to see this like clouds moving this way and that way, and then it's kind of like a swirling motion. I was like, so I ran in and got my mom. I was like, not to alarm you, that looked like a tornado for a second. Sorry, I don't think that is though, but there's gonna be one. And I like literally was watching tornado videos not even 30 minutes ago. Not even 20 actually, not even 15. Actually, I don't think it's even been 10 minutes since I was watching tornado videos. But that's gonna be a tornado because that's a storm. That's a tornado wall, Ma. Well, I mean, I pray that everyone's safe if it does end up being a tornado. Oh, by the way, we got that thorn out my foot. That was really random. But that's like moving, like, it's like, that's north. It came from the south. It's like, it came from the south, it's heading north, and now it's heading east. So, it's gonna make that full circle. I'm gonna, delete some things so I have more. Okay, y'all, so it's been about, I don't know, I want to say about 45 minutes since I last recorded. It honestly has cleared up. People are staring at me. But the wall is still like in our area. Oh, ew, muddy. So the wall is still in our area. It has started to move. So it started from the south, went to the north, and now it's headed to the east. And so if you look back on a few major tornadoes, like the Joplin tornado, the Moore, Oklahoma tornado, El Reno, everyone says that it started off with a, nice, calm day, which is what they say, the calm before the storm. And that's what I would like to say because, well, this morning we had some thunder. It was pretty loud, but since then, which has been a very long time, it's been calm. And I'm excited, but I'm also kind of like freaked out because it's gonna, all this like comes together, it's kind of scary, but I'm also really excited, and you can be having a calm day and then boom, all hell breaks loose. So, I mean, you have no control over it, and I'm like excited but scared. We have to go run some things to the post office here in about 5-10 minutes, so I'm honestly hoping that we can get back in time if anything does happen. That makes sense. So, but I'll keep you guys updated. Now, I got to go. And I need to clear out some storage. So, let's do that, too. You guys can't really see my face, can you? Now you can. I hate motorcycles. Bye! Alright, so it's actually been like 2 minutes since the last clip. I forgot to show you guys where it's moved to, but it's behind the tree and you can't see it, but I'll show you where it was last time. It was like right there, and it's behind the tree now, and I can't find a way to, go around it. But I'm going to show you the storms that have passed us. I mean, you can still see them, so that kind of makes me, They weren't bad storms, and some of them didn't even rain. So, like, over there. So, yep. Yeah?
Oh my God, Maddie.
I know.
Oh man.
What? I'm recording.
Seriously blue.
Exactly. I'm recording it. For
Anyway.
YouTube, so shh.
No, I'm busy talking.
Well, yeah, okay.
But anyway, we can get some like shovels and buckets. And you can get one of those big plastic things and we can dump the sand in that. So you can put the lid on it and you can play in it.
Okay.
Don't you want some like sand stuff? Like little cheap dollar store stuff?
Sure.
For playing the sand?
Sure.
I'll stay in the car with Brutus.
while I run into Dollar Tree
Yeah.
and CVS.
Well, you can stay in the car while you go to CVS. Unless you want to go to CVS. What you could do is if you could go in and pick something out and put it on the counter or something.
Like that idea.
I don't know what you need. You don't need anything from CVS.
True.
You can get a candy bar or something.
A candy bar, really?
Hey, every time we go, I'm spending like $50.
I know, because that's my fault. Brutus.
The Dollar Tree, you can spend like $5. It's just gonna be sand and stuff.
Okay, I'm sitting in the back seat to be with the dog, and the dog's not even sitting with me. He's still back there. I put the seat down. He's a butthead. Dude, that is so dark.
You know what? Now I want to go get some colored sand, Maddie.
What? No, we're not going all the way to Lowe's.
It's Walmart.
I don't want to go to Walmart either.
I don't either, but I really want some colored sand.
Oh, stash. Whoa, I cleared up some storage and I have 38 minutes to record now. And this is going, I have a feeling like it's going to be a bad storm, like a very bad, maybe tornado. Do I have to go in the mail, the post office with you?
Yeah.
Okay. There's gonna have to be like 2 parts to this video because it's gonna be so long. Because you can only do, I can only, my phone will only let me do 15 minutes to post on YouTube. So I'll have to like split it into 3 parts. So it'll be like 3 separate videos you have to watch.
It was just the, what's your name's mom?
Whose mom?
Janaya.
Oh yeah, Jania's mom.
What's her mom's name? Ashley?
Yeah, Ashley. I love Jania. I haven't seen her in a while.
Maybe we should have her over. No. Huh?
Nope.
Why?
Because
Why don't you want friends? But mommy needs to get stuff posted on Poshmark. I'm building up too much.
you think you have a crap ton of Poshmark stuff.